B Squad, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys read by the title, I'm going to be seeing what people offer for a neon fly ride albino monkey. Yes, I made one, and let me go ahead and take it out. Goodbye, pickle. Uh, so yeah, here it is. It's very bright. It's like a blob of like, yeah, you get it. It's a blob, and I named it Angel because it's flyable, right? So it gets wings, and so why not name it Angel? Yeah, I do not know what to name it. But we're gonna be seeing what people offer for this guy, and I'm in a fresh server. I'm actually in a pretty rich server. I think I should be. Because it was full for a very long time. Yeah, we are in a pretty damn rich server. Look at that, Mega Neon Owl. Okay, now I'm gonna ride my neon albino monkey. Oh, we're not the only ones with the neon albino monkey. Okay, well now I'm gonna say trading neon albino monkey. Anybody gonna offer? Trades are on. Okay, I'm just gonna say trading neon albino in the chat a bunch of times. Eh. Okay, someone send me a trade request, finally. Okay, offer, please. Neon unicorn. That's something they should add. I would say this is unfair. I think they should add something else since neon unicorns are still here and albino monkeys aren't. So I'd say this is unfair. Also, albino monkeys are Robux. Unicorns aren't. Okay, next trade. Ooh, neon pink cat. Okay, I'd say this is pretty fair since neon pink cats are really rare pets. So I'd say this is pretty fair. I feel like they should add something though, a little more. But this is fair. I'm gonna decline though, because I would not want to do it for that. I'm kind of looking for neon legendaries here. They're gonna decline. Well, they're over right now. I would say they're over. I want to see them accept. Oh wow, they're actually giving a mega neon a ginger cat for a neon albino monkey, and they added a kangaroo. That's over. That's over. Girl, she's adding even more. I want to see her max level. I don't even know if I should accept. That's so fair. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture now. Can you take a picture? Don't decline. It's gonna be a part of the thumbnail. Wow, she's over. I'm sorry though, girl. I'm looking for neon legendaries. Of course, that is fair. Of course. Oh, I wish I wish the toucan was just neon, and they could have removed the neon griffin. I wouldn't care about that. But I would give this for a neon toucan or a neon starfish for sure. Sorry, but I think they should add a little bit more, and that would be fair. People are giving really good offers though, at least for now. Look at that, we're twinning with this guy with the neon albinos. Okay, also trading this for a neon owl. A lot of you guys are gonna say that I'm under, and I know I am, but maybe somebody will give me a neon owl for this. So why not? I just don't even like the way the neon gingers look like. Oh, is that a mega neon bat? Yeah, that is a mega neon bat. They so rich. I ain't that rich to get a mega neon bat. But would I trade this for a neon shadow? For a regular shadow? For a neon one, of course. But for a regular shadow, no. I would not trade a neon albino for a regular shadow. I think it's unfair. So yeah. Okay, Oh wait, I just copy pasted it. Is it a Mega Neon? Okay, never mind. For a second, I thought it was a Mega Neon Shadow Dragon again. I know people like see like, okay, I'll offer, and then they put up something that's really good, and I'm like, they're gonna decline, and they're like, yeah, they decline. So like, if you're gonna offer it, then like, some. I really do love Mega Neon Albinos and Mega Neon Owls, but Mega Neon Albinos more. They're beautiful. Why would she? Okay, she had to join Jeremiah's server for that. Okay. Neon Albino, come on, somebody offer. Just gonna send everybody trade requests. Although of course the Neon Frost isn't worth a Neon Albino, they'd be a lot over. No, I wanna. Someone offer for a Neon Albino. I mean, come on. Ooh, a Neon Crow. I would give this for a Neon Crow. Neon Crows that look really cool. I'm gonna put up my Neon Albino. I'm gonna see if she says in the chat if I should add her or no. Cause some people like I like want to say in the chat like if I need to add her. Oh, she declined. Okay. What if I add ride potion? It looks like so like a blob at night, but in the morning it looks good. Okay, so she said sure if I had a ride potion, because I would definitely give this for a Neon Crow. I really like Neon Crows. Basically like a better version of the Neon Albino Monkey. Because the Neon Albino Monkey is glowing so much. Does it not say so? There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna add, I understand that I would be unfair. Okay, I'm gonna add a ride potion, and I'm gonna add a ride dragon. Why is it? Okay, I also really like neon kangaroos. I did get offered a neon kangaroo when I had 4 albino monkeys, but I was eating them for such a long time, so. Neon kangaroos are pretty cute, but I like the neon albinos, so just, I don't know. Okay. What else am I getting on Frost? Wow, people are rich. My friend would really need Monkey King right now. Oh, I don't think they said hi to me. Okay, trading neon albino. Okay, I said hi. Thank you. Okay, he wants to give me a flowered ninja and a pink cat. Okay, so that's what they offered for an albino monkey. Okay, I don't know what to give her, but like, I'll add a neon gold penguin. Okay, look. That girl still declined, and I was kind of overpaying. I don't know why frosts are so overrated. They're literally not. They're not big. They're not that. They were really easy to get. I'm not like a neon legendary. Like I want a good neon legendary. I mean, like I'm not asking for a neon shadow dragon and neon giraffe for this. I mean, for a neon giraffe, by the way, here's if somebody's watching this and you have a neon giraffe. Here's my offer for it. So one, I'm giving this mega neon unicorn, and that's one thing. Two, I'm giving this neon rideable golden penguin. Three, I'm giving this neon fluoride albino monkey. And four, I'm giving a ride potion. You can't see it. Here. Yeah, the ride potion. So, yeah, comment down below if you have any on giraffe and you'll do it. Please, it's my dream pet. And if you'll do it, comment down below your username and say that you'll do it. So, okay, anybody else gonna offer for any albino? Like Megan Ginger Cats, they're kind of like, I don't know, I don't think they look like that much. Okay, I really want to offer for this guy's neon parrot. Oh, he declined my trade request. Okay, okay, I think nobody else wants to offer in this server, so I'm gonna server swap. 1 second, I'm gonna try one more time. Trading neon albino, trading neon albino. See if I get a good trade. Okay, finally got a trade request. Okay, well, you gotta add. And they declined. You gotta add. Okay, they're adding. I would say this is unfair for now. Okay, that's the guy that wants my neon albino. So I'd say this is like, I feel like this could be worth like 4 albino monkeys, but not a neon one. So sorry. I would give him this neon albino monkey for neon arctic reindeer. I would say if it's fair. Sorry, no, thank you. Okay, look, stop begging, okay? I'm not gonna give it to you, even if you beg. You can beg all day long. I don't give a crap. Okay, nobody wants to offer, so I might as well server swap. So yeah, I'm gonna server swap, and if I got into an even richer server, so I'm really wanting to get that guy's neon giraffe. I'm literally offering so much for it. Okay, so wow. Oh my god, they have a neon golden dragon. I would say this is pretty unfair. Sorry. I don't feel like golden pets are just easy to get and they shouldn't be worth that much. But wow, that girl actually has a neon golden dragon. That's cool. Okay, well this one actually wants to trade with me. Or maybe I said that too early. Okay, are you gonna offer? I'd say no thank you. Sorry. I really want to offer for that guy's neon giraffe, but he's like AFK or something. Okay, I don't want the like a neon monkey. Okay, she's gonna put up her mega monkey. I'm gonna decline. Okay, now she's gonna, yeah, okay. Don't want a stupid mega monkey. I have already way too much monkeys, guys, like, literally. Okay, anyways, no thank you. That's unfair. I got offered, oh, wait, never mind, they're offering, okay. I was talking about making a unicorn. That is, like, I guess it's unfair. Yeah, I think it's unfair. So, I have a neon golden penguin, and I don't think I'll ever be able to make a mega neon one. But I'd say that this offer is pretty fair since they also added a regular albino monkey. So yeah, this is pretty fair. This is a fair trade. Okay. Anyways, I probably would because I really want a neon golden penguin, but I already have one, so. And I'll go be able to make a mega neon one. Actually, maybe if I would have accepted that, I could have just traded a mega neon unicorn for 2 neon golden penguins and made a mega neon golden penguin. Yeah, I could have done that. If I got a mega golden penguin, I would trade it for a neon giraffe. And I'd already be over. Literally, a mega neon unicorn is not even worth a neon giraffe because it's more money on eBay. So like, still nobody's giving it to me. Wow. If you don't believe me, go on eBay yourself. Wait, is that guy from the giraffe? Did he leave the game? Trading mega uni neon albino, neon gold penguin, and fly ride. Okay, so oh wait, oh my gosh, why does it never let me copy paste? Okay. Copy, and I'm just gonna say it in the chat. Something for neon giraffe, please. Yeah, that means you actually. Okay, well. I don't. Okay, didn't I want to talk with my neon albino? Sorry, it's. I want to trade with the guy. What's the username? Okay, yeah, Dills. Cause my thing, like to see on E, it's off. Because I don't like it. Please, please let me over for you, neon giraffe. I swear, please. Can I offer? Please. She didn't say it's not free trade. If it's not free trade, then tell me that it's not free trade. Oh my gosh. Can I offer? Like he think. I know a neon giraffe is. A neon giraffe is legit a lot rarer than a neon shadow dragon. Shadow dragon is only the third. This guy doesn't even understand. Giraffes are more rarer though. Queen bee is rarer than a shadow dragon. Oh my gosh, two people have a neon giraffe. Please, can I offer? I swear. Oh look, the giraffe. Oh gosh, yes, yes. Please let me finish, please. I wasn't done. Done. Please. I don't need the freaking neon unicorn. I don't need it. I just, like, you can remove the neon unicorn. I don't need that. Just the neon giraffe, please. I don't need the neon unicorn. Just the neon giraffe. Yes. Please. 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 I was looking for this for a week. Build the neon giraffe kept on declining, please. Sticking my neon turtle though, I will never trade my neon turtle for a neon giraffe. Okay. What's his user? Okay, Dills. Let me find his user. Oh, okay. Oh, let me accept. Okay, 1 second. Okay. He said he needs to think. Thank gosh. I really want a neon giraffe. It's literally my dream. Okay. I have that. Oh. Okay. I think I want to offer my new albino monkey. I mean, I know that Witch's Caravan is rare and all, but I personally don't like it, and it's just a vehicle. So, I say it's unfair. Sorry. No, neon giraffes are my dream. I literally trade everything for a neon giraffe, and if I get a neon giraffe, I wouldn't trade it for literally anything. Like, nothing ever in Adopt Me is better than a neon giraffe. It's my dream pet. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'm not trading my neon turtle for a neon giraffe either because I'm not. For obvious reasons. It's my channel's mascot. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, at least I got a new friend. Well, okay. Onion giraffe's so bad. I'll literally add a rye cushion after. I don't even care. I don't know, guys. I have badly want a neon giraffe. I love my regular giraffe and all. I would still have 3 neon legendaries after. Wait, how much neon legendaries do I have right now? 1, 2, 3. Oh. I don't really want that. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna count how much neon legendaries I have. So I have 1, 2, 3. No, I'm not showing off, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5. And after that, if I trade him, I would still have 3 neon legendaries. So. Wait, another person with a neon giraffe, let me offer. Oh my gosh, if I had a neon giraffe, I want to name it Lemons. Okay, I want to offer for this guy's neon giraffe. Oh, never mind. I think that's the. No, no, it's not. Okay, please. Just. No, I don't. Why is he putting up a king? No, this is for a neon giraffe. Yes, please. I was trying to get it for literally a year. No! This is so not sad. Okay, wow, this server is filled. I'm gonna offer for this girl's neon giraffe. Oh, I know her. She was in my server yesterday. Did she just leave? Sad. Okay. I should actually free up some of my friends. Have you thought? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Spelled patient wrong, but like. don't want a koala. I want neon giraffe. I want a neon. Oh my god. Okay, somebody else is a neon giraffe. Oh, never mind. It's not somebody else. That guy already. I want to trade this guy again. I really want his neon giraffe so bad. I want anybody's neon giraffe. I don't care. I need it. It's so cute. I wish it was a common pet. I wish it was common. I wish. I wish it was common so bad. If you're trading a mega bat and you can't show it, that means you don't have a mega bat. Period. I want this guy. He doesn't even say anything in the chat hardly. All he said was friend me, and that's it. I did. I'm in his friends and all, but he doesn't. Oh. Hi. Why do they say hi to me? Not like I got an offer for their Mega Neon Crow. Actually, I do. Cert. Okay, I'm gonna offer this guy's Mega Neon Crow, although I don't have much to offer. I really want it. So yeah. Aw, sad. It's okay. I want a neon giraffe more. If I got it, I would straight away trade for a neon giraffe. Obviously. Sad. Nobody with a neon giraffe wants to trade me and give it to me. I'm legit overpaying for a neon giraffe. If you're gonna give it to me for my offer, comment down below. So that was it for the video. Nobody really wants to offer for any albino monkey. I know this video was supposed to be for like what people offer for any albino. But it kind of ended up just being a whole trading video, so sorry about that. Yeah. I'm excited for the kitsune pet and the new egg come out on Friday. Comment down below if you're excited, and comment down below if you'll do my offer. Merch in the description, and it's also in the pinned comments. Go buy it if you haven't already, and go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, bye, squad.